You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French pronunciation, French artist and photographer. We're going to be looking at the French pronunciation and how you can say it in English. If you want to learn more names of famous painters, make sure to stay tuned. Louis, that's how you say Louis, so in French, Louis. Daguerre, Daguerre, Louis Daguerre. So if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, here is your suggested English pronunciation. Louis Daguerre. Louis Daguerre from French. Louis Daguerre. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.